Hey everyone, this is Dan with Carestream Dental. Real quick, I'm going to show you guys how the shade matching works with our third generation CS3700 intraoral scanner and our newest acquisition software, CS ScanFlow. How this is different than earlier shade matching technologies is that the information in the shade is being captured on the initial scan. The software is analyzing the angles and changes in lighting intensity and direction from multiple shots to create the shade. This is known as Bidirectional Reflectance Distribution Function and is patented by Carestream Dental. Earlier methods required calibration with every use and managing the environmental conditions. Now we're able to get this data from multiple lighting and angle situations, and it compiles this data to be able to easily send to the lab with your case via CS Connect. Now, how do we know when we have scanned enough for this to work? Built into the software is a shade matching feedback tool, which will help you to know whether enough information was captured for the software to produce an accurate shade. Once the teeth turn from blue to tooth colored, we know that the software has enough information. Here's another helpful tip. Before I started, you may have noticed that I toggled on the screen freezing tool. This tool will lock the orientation of the scanned model so that it doesn't move around while scanning, and we can watch the areas of interest fill in from blue to a more natural color. And once the shade is completely captured, we're going to continue by capturing the bite and then refine the scan. Once refined, I'm going to toggle the light off, and then in the shade matching tools, I'm going to select the central area check option by clicking on the small triangle on the lower right and selecting the second option. From there, I'll be able to hover over the tooth and identify the shade. By clicking on an area and selecting a tooth number, the information will be saved. I can do this many times on the same tooth in different areas for a more comprehensive match. The images in the shade matching gallery will be saved to the imaging software and potentially to the patient data in your practice management software if you choose to have the scanner networked in your office. You can remove unwanted images if you wish. Selecting Create Report in the shade matching gallery will launch a PDF report that shows all of the images in the gallery, as well as your name and practice information. With full arch scans, you have the ability to receive a full report with incisal, middle, and gingival shades automatically placed in the report. If you are logged into your CS Connect account, you will have the ability to send this scan directly to the lab from the acquisition software. This will include the shade information that you captured. The software is now simultaneously saving the scan to the imaging software and launching CS Connect. Now the case and all the data is loaded, and all you have to do is plug it into your notes and the due date, and your digital lab tech receives the case immediately. In the imaging software, you can also see that the clinical data was stored. Digital labs have free and unlicensed access to CS Connect as well. When they receive and download your scans, it will include the shade information and any other intraoral images you may have included from the scan. These scans can be used in any open architecture design software. If you haven't already, take a serious look at Carestream Dental's third generation intraoral scanner, the CS3700. The comfort these functions bring, along with the ease of communicating clinically relevant information to your patient and the lab, not to mention additional features unique to Carestream Dental, makes this a winner for you, your staff, and your patient. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more information about the CS3700 intraoral scanner, follow the references here.